Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you're fine with the grace of the Almighty God. So, students, as you know that we have already started the explanation of the chapter, that is chapter 6, and our topic of the chapter is rural administration from social and political life. Previous class, I have showed you animation. I hope that you have watched the animation. If you did not watch the animation, then go and watch the animation. It is already there. The link has been already provided in the group. So, if you have did not watch the animation, go and watch the animation. What we are going to learn in this chapter is about the role of the police and patwaris in resolving the land disputes, administration in the rural areas, procedures of reporting a case to the police, different authorities in the district administration, new inheritance law. Okay. Now, what is there is the first step to study the chapter is about in the village of Bhagwatpur, Sanjay owned a small agriculture field. Next to his land was the land of Ghanshyam, who was the relative of the Sarpanch of their village. Ghanshyam wanted to expand his land. Ghanshyam wanted to what? Increase his land. Okay. Then, thus, one day he asked Sanjay to sell a portion of his land to him. Okay. However, when Sanjay did not agree to offer, Ghanshyam threatened. He threatened him that what he did, he threatened to Sanjay and forced him to grant him the land. Being helpless, Sanjay gave a big portion of his land to Ghanshyam because he was very frightened with the Ghanshyam. Okay. As Sanjay returned home, his wife and friends advised him to report this case to the higher authorities, means to the police station. Okay. Which higher authorities do you think Sanjay should contact to seek help in the case? As I have told, here two options are given here, Panchayat and police. So Sanjay will go to the police authorities, right? Then let us find out the correct answer where, and we'll understand that why I told the police authorities there. Then we will understand. Agriculture is one of the main occupation for the people of the village, those who are living in there, because they do their practice with the help of the agriculture. So farmers work on the day and night, okay, in order to grow their farm, okay, and when in order to sell the things in the market, because they are earning with the help of the doing cultivation only. Okay. So thus we can say that the land is a very important community of the farmers, because with the help of the land only they are growing the crops. Okay. Some farmers try to expand their land by adopting unfair means. You see, some farmers are trying to increase their land by means by the hook or by the crook, you can say, by threatening someone, okay, by killing someone, okay, by trying to take away the lands. But what you should do in this kind of situation is that this may lead to the fights and the quarrels as well. Okay, the people will fight. In such situation, okay, only the intervention of the authorities can resolve the problem of the victim. If like middle person have to enter, that the middle person will be, to the police station. Okay, you have to go to the police station, you have to call to the police, or police has to interfere in this matter in order to resolve the conflict, in order to resolve the war. Okay. In this chapter, we will study about the authorities function in the rural areas, how the village area also is being functioned, who is the higher authority there, what is the work of the police, okay, how to lodge a fire in the means police station. This main responsibility of the police to prevent the crimes and to punish those who break the law. This is the main responsibility of the police. If any person breaks the law, this is their responsibility to remind them that the law should be maintained. Okay, they are the protector of the law. Okay, all the state of India are divided into districts. All the states of India, there are small districts are there, and in a district, the SP, the Superintendent of Police, is the higher authority of the police. He or she is assisted by the other police officers in the maintenance of the law and order in a particular district. A district is further subdivided into small areas. All these areas are looked after by the police station, assigned to them as a part their area, population, volume of the crime. They are now small police stations are there. Okay, these police stations are headed by the station or house officer, that is SHO, station house officer, His full form is SHO. The SHO, station house officer of a police station, is assisted by the other police officers called constables. Okay, they are also, constables are their assistants. Okay, together the SHO and the constable are responsible for maintaining the law and order in the area assigned to him. Okay, in a particular area assigned to them. Okay, he is maintaining the laws and order. Next, reporting a crime. How we have to report a crime? Every police station is responsible for maintaining the law and order in the areas assigned to them. Every police station is responsible for maintaining the laws and order assigned to him. Okay, in order to report a case or to seek the help of the police, people are required to reach out to the police station of their area. If you want to get the help of the police, then you have to go to the police of your area. Okay, if you have some reported crime to it. Okay, for example, if you live in Gurgaon, okay, Goregaon of Mumbai, and you want to report a case, you need to go to the police station that looks after the law and order of the Goregaon. Okay, now you see, a person is being now badly treated in another place. Another example, if I give, a person is being badly treated in some place. Now, in that place, if he is badly treated, he will go to report the crime in which place? To the local places. Okay, to the local authority. So, how you have to report the crime? Let's start. Every police station is responsible for maintaining the law and order in the areas assigned to them. In order to report the case, you have to seek the help of the police station. Okay, you have to go to the police station. Later on, when you file the FIR, okay, what will happen? In some police station, the investigation of the case after lodging the FIR will begin as soon as possible. But however, if the police will refuse to accept your FIR, then you can go them to the higher authorities also. Also, you can ask them the justification. Okay, what the reason they are not writing the FIR, they can write and give you the what is the reason that also. Then, thus, the first of all, Sanjay went to the police station and covered the area of Bhagwatpur village. Then he went to the police station, then he took the police and he covered the area of the Bhagwatpur village where Sarpanch was trying to threaten him. Okay, maintenance of the land records. We are going to learn about the land maintenance of the land records. Okay, the police investigate the case and resolve the disputes on the basis of certain records and the proofs, because on whose name the land is there, the police can take out with the help of the Tehsildar. Okay, the case of the Sanjay could only be resolved if provided the police with the proof of his ownership of the land acquired by the Ghanshyam. Okay, now Ghanshyam is not the owner of the land. Okay, Ghanshyam is not the real owner of the land. Sanjay is the owner of the land. Whereas Ghanshyam is saying that it is his land. Okay, so he's trying to threaten him. He's trying to kill Sanjay. So the police was trying to find out who is the main owner or the real owner of the land. In a village, the record of the land, such the names of the owner, size of the land owned by them, and the crops cultivated by them are recorded and maintained by Patwari. The Patwari maintains everything. That what type of crops does the person grows, how much land he has, okay, who is the real owner of the land, all the records is maintained by the Patwari. A Patwari is the government official who is usually in the charge of the group of the village. So he is the group of the village in charge is called what? Patwari. He performs the following duties in his or her area. So the duties are mentioned in the below: that measuring agriculture fields, keeping land records such as the size of the field owned by the different people, then also different people of the areas, okay, the crops grown by the fields, and also the facilities available to the farmers. The what kind of how did the government help him, what kind of facilities that the government has given to him. Okay, updating the land records such as the new owner of the land in case of transfer of the land, or the change in the crops cultivated in his or her area, organizing the collection of the land revenue from the farmers, informing the government officials about the crops cultivated in his or her area, problem faced by the farmers, and the outbreak of the disease in his or her area, protecting the maps and the records of the land revenue, land under his or her control. So he is also protecting the areas, okay, the areas which under his or her control is. Okay, so now we will go to discuss about the rural administration. But before discussing about the rural administration, the police helped Sanjay to gain back. We should know about this, that the police has helped Sanjay in order to gain back his land, okay, from Ghanshyam, okay, by checking the land revenue, okay, and the Patwari and Bhagwatpur village. So rural administration, we will start. Rural administration, given the importance of the land in the village, in some cases people misuse their power and money to manipulate the records maintained by the Patwaris. Now Patwari is also sometimes corrupted, right? They are also leading to the corruption by taking the money, okay, yes, giving out the false record, okay. So thus the senior officer of the revenue department knows as a tehsildar, I told it, okay. Above the Patwari is the tehsildar, who supervise the functioning of the Patwaris, who is looking after the Patwaris. The following are the functions of the Tehsildar: ensuring the proper maintenance of the record is done by the Patwaris or not. Okay, assessing and collecting the land revenues, that all the land revenues are collected by the Patwaris is properly, it is maintained or not. Okay, providing the various certificates to the farmers and the pupils, such as a copy of the land records and the case certificate is also given to the, but means it is also handled by the tehsildar. Then hearing land disputes, this all is done by the what called patwaris and the tehsildar, okay. It is done by the tehsildar. The patwari is working under the tehsildar only. The work of the tehsildar is supervised by the district collector. Now the who is the above the tehsildar? Tehsildar above is the district collector. A district collector works as the as a head of the districts. Okay, new inheritance law. We are going to start with the new inheritance law. Okay, as far as the law, a child is entitled to inherit the property left by his or her deceased parents. If the father or mother dies, okay, then the property of the father or mother is transferred legally to the children. Okay, earlier only men had been benefited from this law. Only the man was having the benefit. If man dies, okay, suppose a person has girl, daughter, the daughter will not get the property, only the man, boy will get. Okay, so later on, now girl and the boy both are getting the property. Equal rights has been given now presently. After the death of the father, the property, agriculture, residential was divided among the sons of the family. But daughter was not given. But nowadays, the daughter also has given the equal rights. You know, if like the daughter is there, before only the son was given the right. Now it is the daughter has been given the right. So, however, the government changed this practice of inheritance by introducing an act called the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. So, now the law is changed that each and everyone will have the equal right. This act allowed the daughters and the mothers to have an equal share in the property of their father and the husband. Now, everybody has the equal share in the property of the father and the husband. This law has benefited millions of the women all over the country. Now this has benefited millions of the people in all over the country. So students, now I'll show you the question answers on your screen. You can see the fill in the blanks. Question answers I will send you the later on, but now you can see the fill in the blanks on here. Okay. I have to rotate it. Okay. So you can see this one. Okay. To mark it that every state of in India is divided into districts. In a district, superintendent of police (SP) is the highest police officer. The police station in the smaller areas within a district are headed by the station house officer (SHO). Then the written complaint registered at the police station is known as the FIR. In the village, the Patwari records the details of the agriculture properties. Then column A, this number 1 Patwari will be number C, Patwari collection of the land revenue. Then Tehsildar will be number D, supervise the work of the Patwari. District collector will be number E,